Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another haul for you, and today's haul is going to be the IKEA haul. So if you watched the vlog where I went for a trip to IKEA with my friend Luke, then you'll know that we picked up a few pieces in store. So I'm going to show you everything that I got today, and if you haven't watched that vlog already, then I'll link it down below for you, and you might want to go and watch that first and then come back to this one. I also went along to the IKEA Autumn and Winter Press Day this week, where I got the chance to have a look at all of their new pieces that coming into store, and I also did a bit of wreath making. So I'm going to show you some bits from that, and I've also got a vlog coming up from that day as well, so that'll be coming for you later on this week. I've also written a blog post with all my IKEA shopping tips in it, so I'm going to link that down for you below, and what I'd suggest you do is have a little read of that, or maybe screen grab it and take it along to your next IKEA shopping visit, and hopefully it will really help you out. And feel free to leave any comments down below with your IKEA shopping tips too, because I'd love to see those. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, let's get straight into the big blue bag. Classic bag. These are really handy anyway, aren't they? Have you got any of these lying around full of dirty washing? That's what they usually end up being used for, don't they? So the first thing I picked up was this pot. Now, as you know, I've got a lot of plants, so you can never have enough of these. And this gold metal pot that I guess you could also use as a waste paper bin, or you could maybe use it as a lampshade, do something else with it, or just for some storage. This was £1.50 in their sale. I think it had £1 knocked off it or something, so pretty reasonable anyway. I've seen very similar ones, a lot more expensive, so I thought that was really nice. I just like the gold colour it goes with. Yeah, it looks pretty good in our place here, I think. So yeah, I thought that was really good. I only just bought the one. I didn't think I needed more than one, but I mean, for £1.50, you can't go wrong. Oh, by the way, I'll try and link everything below so you can see what they are and exactly the prices and stuff. So I picked up this tray. I think this was £3, and this is part of their collection that was designed by HAY. So it's the same collection that designed the chairs that I bought for the terrace. They've got a few other really nice bits and pieces. And yeah, it's just this nice check design. I like the sort of grey, beigey grey colour and the stripes. And this is kind of big enough, you'd get 4 mugs on that, so it's thin and narrow. And yeah, perfect just for small things. You could just use it for displaying stuff, or use it for transporting several mugs if you want to do that. You'd probably get about 3 plant pots this size on it as well, which would look quite nice, and you could use it as like a little water tray. I picked up this rug, wasn't really sure exactly what I was going to do with it. I think this was only £2.50, so I couldn't resist it. They had these in several different stripes. Have a look at the vlog if you want to see the different options available. And yeah, I don't know, I just thought that was so nice, and it kind of goes with some of the colours that I've got in my lounge. I've got quite a lot of red in here, quite a bit of a Moroccan vibe going on. And also I thought it might be just nice to sling down on the roof terrace, or just take out to the park just to sit on for £2.50. Absolute bargain. It's called SIGNE, and it's really quite thick as well, decent quality. I picked up these I'm going to get one out of the packet to show you. I picked up these self-adhesive hooks, so they've got sticky on the back, so they're just ready to peel off, and then they are good to stick on anything. I don't know exactly where these are going to be going, but I just thought they're very, very handy, and I like the metal design of them. Something else that I could probably spray if I don't like the white, but yeah, I thought they were really good. I can't remember how much these were, they weren't very expensive. I'll link them below if I can find them. And then I picked up this lantern. So I think this is for a tea light because it has the circle in the middle, but I guess you could also put a plant in that if you wanted to. I'm just going to put the chain on it to show you what it's like. So it comes with a chain and 3 hooks. So yeah, it's a hanging tea light holder. I think it'll probably send some really nice patterns through there once the light shines through it. And this I think was reduced to £2, and Luke, my shopping buddy, persuaded me to get 2 more, which I think was a really good shout. So I've actually got 3 of these, which I think will look really cool when they're all hung together, and I'm thinking it'll be outside on the roof terrace. So yeah, it came to £6. I would have got a bit more discount as well if I had my family card. But as I say, all my IKEA shopping tips will be down below in the blog post, so do check that out. And do feel free to have a read of my blog while you're over there, you never know, you might like it. And then I picked up a notebook. I can never resist a notebook, and I think this was 50p, and let's just have a quick look. Yeah, pretty simple and just nice brown paper on the edge and simple lined notebook. Good size, I like them thin and quick, so I don't like hanging on to things for too long, so I'll fill that up in no time and then be on to my next project. And that's everything that I bought in store. I did sort of eye up quite a few things that I might be going back for, so if you would like another IKEA shopping trip vlog, then do let me know in the comments if you fancy that. I was thinking maybe do one around autumn into Christmas time to see some of their autumn stuff, which I did get to have a preview of the other day, and at the end of it, IKEA gave me a little bag full of things as well, so I'll show you what they gave me at the end, which is really kind of them. The first thing is this pink cushion that's part of their, what do they call the collection? It's basically their sort of Scandi range for this autumn and winter, but instead of going for the traditional white Scandi look, they've actually gone for like a blush pink and a grey, just to warm it up a little bit. So this is one of the cushions from that range. So this one is the Eucaliptus. So not my usual colour, but I think it's really fun, so I might use that outside on the terrace. It's pretty cool. And also this beautiful vase that's made out of glass. And this is kind of it's like a very, very dark burgundy, I would say. It looks almost black to the eye and on camera, but yeah, once you look through it, it's a sort of nice, oh, now I'm thinking it could be navy blue. I'm having one of those, you know, like that dress thing that went around the internet. What colour is it, Moments? Should we just call it black? I don't know, but very, very nice. This is called ATGANG, and yeah, this will look really cool. I thought maybe with some eucalyptus in it. And also in the bag was this tray. This is a really nice pattern, and this one doesn't have a name on it, but I will link it below if I can find it. Another good size. Again, I'd say you'd get about, oh, you'd probably get, yeah, 4 or 5 mugs on that one, I would say. I don't know why I keep mentioning mugs, like that's the only thing you transport on trays. You'd get your dinner on that anyway. You'd definitely get a plate and a knife and fork. You could just sit here and watch the TV with it. That'd be quite handy. Who has their dinner on their laps more often than at the table? Do you? I do. And there was also some biscuits in the bag, which I haven't opened yet because I wanted to show you them. These are biscuits with chocolate flavoured filling. They look like Jammy Dodgers, but they're chocolate in there. So I shall have those with a cup of tea. They've also given me their autumn and winter preview catalogue thing. So they've got some really cool stuff in for this Christmas. They've got some Alice in Wonderland inspired stuff. So they've got like plates that are clocks and rabbits and just really, really nice things. They've got some paper cutouts which look really cool, and they've got some very dark and moody inspired rooms as well. So definitely worth having a look in store, I think, as we go into autumn and winter this year. But as I say, do check out the vlog of that as well, because I show you a lot of the pieces in a lot more detail if you're interested. I also did a wreath making workshop while I was there. Now, if you've been following me on here for a while, you may have seen my first attempt at making a wreath, which was just before last Christmas, I think. Yes, and I made one from scratch using willow and all different things. So if you want to watch that, maybe watch it as we're getting nearer to Christmas, but that is still down, my video is quite far down when I was starting out. But I made this one with them. So this is made out of their artificial foliage. They've got lots of really nice stems in store, and I made it with the eucalyptus branches and also these, they actually look like sloe berries. Maybe that's what they're supposed to be. Yeah, but that's what I did. So if you want to see me having a go at that as well, that's also in the vlog. I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. I think it looks really, really cool. And I think I'm going to hang it up just now. I don't think I'm going to wait for Christmas. It was based on one of their plain twig wreaths. You just use that and then poke all the twigs in with a glue gun. So yeah, so that's everything. I hope you enjoyed my IKEA haul. Maybe you were expecting me to have bought a lot more in store, which could have easily happened, but I was quite restrained because I didn't need loads of homeware, because I've got another homeware haul coming up for you. So yes, certainly didn't need to buy too much of that. I really went to get the chairs for the roof terrace, but I will be hopefully heading back there soon. So if you do like the IKEA vlogs, let me know, and I'm very happy to go back into store in autumn and winter. So that's everything. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and this week I've got a few videos coming up for you. Most of them are hauls actually, but a few other odds and ends as well. So also you can press the notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as a new video pops up on YouTube, because sometimes I think they can slip about and we miss them. I know that happens to me, so feel free to press that bell if you want to be notified, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hope you have a really brilliant week, whatever you're doing for the rest of this week, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll link it below. I think this is quite a good price, this one as well. Oh, it's got a mark on it. Oh, it's getting really hot already. Of course the sirens are starting. Oh, this is like macrame all over again. And also these, what look like, they look like what I put in my gin. What do I make gin with? Is it damson? No, what do you make? Sloe.